Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2022. So in today's video I'm just going to give a brief introduction of the channel's project truck. So this is a 1977 Dodge Ram D150. This was my dad's truck. He passed in 2020, so I'm going to fix it up and hopefully get it back on the road. This does have a 318 with a 3-speed automatic. Interior is going to need some work, as you can see. In the late 90s, he did replace the original 318 with a 318 from a 1986 Ram. So you can see this truck has been sitting since 2005 when he bought his new Ram. And the truck is in pretty good shape, you know, minus the paint. No rust. I cleaned up the bed early this morning. As you can see, the bed is pretty much in good shape. No type of rust. Rear quarter panels, pretty good. The only rust I have seen is a little bit right here in the door jamb. But besides that, that's it. So for you Mopar guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. I may need your help fixing this up. So I'm going to have a little mini series on getting the truck from down here, dragging it up to the top of the yard, and starting to fix it up. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.